me introduce my dear friend, Mr. Wu Liming. I know him since I came to China. It's been more than 22 years now. More than 22, it's going to be 23. That we always day and night together. He was a very good friend of my father, and they will always cook together and enjoy together.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, Mr. Wu, what do you want to say about...
Yeah. We are good friends. Even Pakistan, China, also the good friends. So, maybe more than 22 years, have a very good relationship.
And Mr. Wu, I noticed one thing. In these 22 years, the China greatly changed.
Yeah.
I saw China when Mr. Wu was riding a bicycle. And now Mr. Wu is having big cars.
Even every family
have
one or two
cars. Yeah? Yeah. China has greatly changed.
Great change, yeah.
China, what do you think, Mr. Wu? Why China has greatly changed?
Why?
Isn't it due to the World Trade, joining World Trade Organization?
Chinese government and Chinese people, they work very hard. Yeah. So, how to say, they want to try our best to build China to be modern socialist country.
Okay. Mr. Wu, what is the secret of China to grow rapidly?
Secret to grow
Rapidly.
rapidly.
What is the actual secret? Is it the law and order? Law and order? Is it Chinese Communist Party?
Yeah.
What is it? Or is it WTO? Or is it due to labor is cheap? What is it?
Chinese Communist Party. That is very number one.
Chinese Communist Party. Okay.
Chinese people is how to say working people. They work very
a little money, but work more.
Small. From small to big.
Small to big.
How to say the Chinese government is also good.
Mr. Wu, you told me Chinese Communist Party is the key. Tell me something 22 years before. How was the life in China? Life. I mean the life in China. How was the life in China 22 years before? Wasn't it very simple?
Very simple. How to say poor. Now getting
richer and richer. So how do you compare? Was that time better or this time better?
How to say that is the reason is just now I said Chinese Communist Party, Chinese government, Chinese people, and policy, new policy. That is very important.
What do you see the future of China?
I think Chinese future. I can say China will getting richer and richer, stronger. It means the people will live, how to say, very happy life.
But happy life is with a peace. But don't you think that the world situation is getting worse day by day?
Yeah. Now, Chinese government, how to say, we prepare everything. How to say, very fast. For example, our army, even the whole world, they know in China, the army getting stronger and stronger. More very modern ships, aircraft, and bomb, even nuclear weapons.
So, the next question is about Taiwan. What do you see and how do you see the future of relation in between mainland of China and Taiwan?
Taiwan, I can say, we should before we say liberate Taiwan, of course, we have lots of ways.
To liberate, lot of ways. You mean lot of ways? What do you mean by lot of ways?
First,
Peacefully. Okay.
Because war
It's
really
not good for anyone. Sure.
well, how to say, the people die,
Yeah.
everything
The house is broken,
broken.
cities destroyed.
Because Taiwanese people, Chinese,
They are the same.
Chinese the same.
Same people.
Why we
Fight. Very good. This is a very good thing. But
so for example, America, they want to quickly China to replace Taiwan. Yes. This how to say, killed all the Chinese people together, each other, and how to then how to say, everything finished. So then the China will get not stronger if immediately fight Taiwan. China will how to say, the weapon, the goods, the people, everything uses. Then America always keep the number one. Do you know? China, how to say, get weak and weak. So that is the way Americans their hope. Now, no.
you give it to your mother. She will be happy. They have this cheese, Chinese culture. Do you remember? You used to cook here. Yes or no? So today we are going to celebrate our a long time. Huh? It's about 22 years we have been cooking in this kitchen. Yeah. So what do you think? Fish, you know. Fish, how to make fish bobo, how to fry fish. Yes. Evening you buy fish. We did not eat like fish for a long time.
所以我买到鱼了，这我买出去。